If you're watching this right now, you are so blessed because I have prayed that only the right people come across this video. This is confirmation that the end is here, my friend, that you no longer have to struggle or feel frustrated. Things are finally moving in your favor. And this is where you are going to receive back everything that you have given 10 times over. Because not only does God make things like new, he makes them infinitely better. And that includes you. You're stronger, you're more resilient, you're more resourceful and innovative. And that translates into what you call into your life and what you create. So this is going to go back to all the years of struggle and everything you've overcome in the last few years, because at times you felt desperate. You felt like you couldn't go on anymore, that something had to give. And instead of that just being laid out for you without doing anything, you decided to take action, because it's important to know that faith without works is dead. And so your willingness to contribute, to be obedient and disciplined, even when you're frustrated and you feel stuck, is what gets you through this resistance. It allows this breakthrough to happen because that's the work. You don't birth something into existence, like a person, for example, without going through labor pains and gestating that as like an idea in the unseen until it inevitably bears fruit and makes itself known in the physical realm. Everything comes back to that cycle of life and nature, including the blessings that you try to call into your life and the life that you create for yourself. Everything is a byproduct of your actions and your reactions and natural consequences, because that's how life works. So when you apply God's laws to your own life, everything becomes easier because you're no longer working against the grain. And now you're able to go with that flow. You don't try to control an outcome. It's about going with God's will and understanding the lessons and the struggles and the trials and the delays. Everything serves a purpose. And now you get to enjoy the byproduct of that work, of finishing that cycle, seeing it through to completion, and then enjoying the end result. And so that applies to the micro wins, to the milestones, not just the destination. So even if you feel frustrated, acknowledge the work that you've done, because most people don't even get this far. So be proud, because God is proud of you and he wants you to know that. So this is just confirmation of whatever you know to be true that's waiting for you on the other side. If this resonated or if it was helpful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you want any um, guidance or resources from me, or you want to support this channel in any way, everything is linked down below. Otherwise, I'll leave it at that. I love you so much, but remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.